What's going on, everybody? Nathan here. Got my kiddos here, and what are we doing today, guys?
Find some trash away!
Yep, so we are going around picking up trash around the property, and so we're going to be taking the yard cart. It's pretty cold out. The ground is frozen, thankfully, and we've had some storms, some wind over the past couple weeks, and it's blown trash around.
I'm stepping on ice.
Yeah, and he's stepping on ice, and we're gonna go be picking up trash, and I got my helpers here with me, and so let's get to it. You guys ready?
Yeah!
We'll be back for the trash like 10 seconds after I just recorded that other small clip. Mary asked me to come get her because she's gonna milk the cows now. Because we're actually trying to get a lot of the chores done early this morning because it's 2025 now, January 1st. Very exciting. And we're going over to my sister-in-law's house, and we're actually gonna play some Halo on Xbox, the original Xbox or Xbox 360, I forget. So it's been years since I've played that. Oh jeez, I thought he almost fell out. It's been years since I've played that, and we're very, very excited. So we're getting all the farm chores done now, and we'll be back playing that here shortly. So, all right, guys, go get mommy. All right, William, there's some trash. See it right there, that black one?
Yeah.
Nope, Louis, or right there, bud. Good job. All right, bring it over here. Over here. Hey, actually, just throw it on the back here. We'll throw it all in the trash bags later. All right, hop on up. Nice job. All right, see that white trash right there? Right there. Louis, go get it. Go get that white one. Well, that one's frozen to the ground, actually, so here, hold on. Hold on just a sec. That one's frozen to the ground. Would have been good to do this yesterday, maybe. All right, let's pull. Wow, that is really stuck, actually. There we go. All right, guys, here's some more trash. Willie, hey, come here, bud. See all this trash?
Yeah.
Let's pick up this trash and put it in the back. You really, here, you get this stuff. Look, hey, bud, right there. Get this one. All right. All right, guys, look at this. There's trash right here. Here, let's get it. Here, get that one, bud. And put it in the back of the yard cart. Here, get this one. You can do it. It's actually quite cold this morning. Well, you got your hat on over your eyes, dude. Of course you can't see. Oh, almost. All right. Hey, there's some stuff over here. Should we drive over there? All right. Well. All right, good job. Over here, bud. Got it? Oh, that's a big one. Hey, Lou, over here. Look at this. You want me to get it? Here. You don't want to do it? Gotta teach them young how to work. Otherwise, I believe they grow up with a bad work ethic. So they like having chores to do. They actually enjoy it. And it's good for them. It's good for their brains. It's good for their development. Over here, bud, over here. And they actually, like I said, they enjoy it. They feel satisfied when they're done and they see a task complete. Oh, careful, dude. He just gotta keep your eyes open. You all right? Here. All right. He had his face covered up, his eyes covered up, and he ran into the yard cart. Thank you, dude. All right. Oh, William, you see that? You see that lid over there by the big tree? Go get it. Go get it. All right, Louis. Hey, Louis. Buddy. Here's some trash. Here, let me kick it. There you go. And then get this cardboard too. Good job. Here. Stuck. There we go. All right, now you can get them. All right. Yep, put it in here. Here, Lou. Drop my phone. All right, this way, guys. Oh, over here. Over here. William. This way. Hurry, hurry, hurry. What? Oh, yep, pick it up. Good job. Good find. Good find, buddy. All right. Oh, don't touch the ice. It'll make your fingers cold. Let's go warm up in the shop for a minute, guys. Or not. Guys, let's go warm up our fingers in the shop, okay? It is actually quite cold. So we're gonna do this in phases. All right, come on, guys. Hey, let's come warm up in here. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm a firm believer in having them help around the house, help with projects as they're able, and give them chores. I know they're young, but you know, they really enjoy being able to help, and they like it. So Mary is, hey guys, did you see what Daddy did over here? Come here. So I haven't actually worked on the project for it's been like 4 or 5 days now. Just because of Christmas and New Year's and the holidays and whatever else. Just been busy with family stuff and other things, so which has been a nice break. So Mary is on her way to come milk Tilly before we go. And then we'll be getting going. We're gonna warm up our hands real quick and get back out there to start getting more trash. So we'll be back in a little bit. Say to infinity and beyond.
And beyond.
Hey, jump. Wow, good job.
Infinity. And beyond.
Ah. All right, guys, are your fingers all warm? Let's go back out, okay? We're gonna go back out and get some more trash. Fingers are all warmed up. Had a little fun in here. All right, he wants to do one more to infinity and beyond. All right. Ready, guys?
Yeah.
All right.
Into infinity. And beyond.
Ah, good job. All right, last one.
To infinity and beyond.
All righty, let's get going. A lot of work to do, don't we? Hey, William, Come here, help me get one of these. Here, get this one. Bud. Hey, Lou. Hey, can you get that one down there under your bike? Oh, careful. Here, give me your hand. You all right?
Yeah.
All right, get that trash right there under the bike. The plastic. Okay, well, we'll get it hitting here. Here, bud. Oh, Louie, don't eat the ice. Icky. Hey, get that trash under the bike, okay? All right, we're gonna go drive this current load to the dumpster and come back for more. This trash should have been done a long time ago, picked up a long time ago, but you know what? We're doing it now, so that's what's important. Yep, pick it up. Louis, hey, there's more trash over there. Over there. Good job helping. Run! Alright guys, this is the last bit of trash we got to get for now. This is the last piece of trash. It's starting to get a little cold for these guys. So, gonna get this last piece of trash here, then we're gonna head inside. That's gonna be it for now, you guys. Thanks for watching. My wife just finished getting the cows milked out, so I'm gonna go ahead and process the milk. And then we're gonna head over to my sister-in-law's to hang out and enjoy the new year. And also just briefly looked on X, formerly known as Twitter, and saw the what looks like a terrorist attack in New Orleans. So prayers to the families of those injured and killed, and that stuff just cannot continue to stand in our country. So protect yourselves, protect your families, and be vigilant, and you know, pray for protection, and you know, just prayers for the family. So I'm going to go ahead and get this processed. Be thankful for what you've got, and you know, I thank God every day for what He's blessed my family and I with, and both materially and physically and spiritually. So talk to you guys later. Happy New Year, and like, subscribe, follow, and talk to you guys later.